All right, this is part two to the online magazine. Our first option was to use FlipSnack. The other option is to use a site called Flip HTML5. Pretty much works the same way. FlipHTML5.com. Again, signing in and signing up, just like the other website, you can sign in with Google. You get a free account. You've got a home page with all of your stuff. You can kind of see I've already done this activity before. Let's create a new one. So right here under My Flips, we're going to click the plus sign, and we're going to add a new flip. We don't necessarily need to make a new folder. Actually, I think they do call them folders. So let's just make a new folder. Call this the Revolutionary War. As far as the category goes, this is going to be, we have education. All right, once we're all set, we'll click create. And what we need to do next is edit this stuff. We're going to click add a new book. And from there, we need to upload the PDF. Now, in the previous tutorial, I was working on a Google Slides presentation. I built everything here. Once my slideshow was finished, I went to File, Download as PDF. So we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to upload that PDF to Flip HTML5. And it's going to convert it into a flip-friendly format. Just took but a moment. Works pretty much the same way. I think I like FlipSnack a little bit better because it looks like the settings are a little bit easier to mess around with. There is an online editor, so if you needed to make any changes here, I'm not entirely sure what the changes are. Oh, it looks like you can switch the pages maybe. Maybe not. You can add your own custom content after you upload your PDFs, but it doesn't look like you can do much more than that. If you want to add links, you can make links. You can add your own text. You can do all this in the other site as well. I think I'm all set with the editing portion of this. When it comes time to sharing this, you do have your options at the top of the screen. So what I'm going to look for, actually, there's an advanced menu here. And I think I'm a bigger fan of FlipSnack. There is a link. This would be the link you want to copy. If you needed to share it, again, it's that same book link. You could share it with the QR code. That's kind of cool. You do have more options for social media sharing. We're going to disregard these, though. Just think you would need the link to copy that. And again, when you're back in Google Classroom, just a matter of clicking that link or sharing that link to Classroom so that other folks can see your work. I think by default it's going to be public. So as a student, I would make a new post. And if the teacher decides to create an assignment, of course, the kids can also attach stuff to the assignment. When the teacher does create an assignment, the students will see Add and Create as two buttons. They would just click Add. These icons would be, actually, they would add a file from their computer. They would add a link or a file from their Google Drive. We're just going to add the link. And when we add it, we're going to post it. So this one done in FlipSnack, same concept. This one done in Flip HTML5, pretty much the same exact thing. We're lacking the sound though, so FlipSnack already wins for me. But looks like there's some advertisements too, which you can close out. But again, just two different ways you can pretty much achieve the same exact task. I would pick one, whether it's FlipSnack or Flip HTML5. And again, I think by my comparison here, just by ease of use, I would recommend you go with FlipSnack. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for listening.